can actually create a Gmail account even without your phone number. Yes, I've seen videos where people want to create their Gmail account without involving a code or some phone number being used. This is pretty easy. So all you have to do is just go to Play Store. Everybody has that. So this is what the Play Store looks like. Okay, then tap on this area that has your profile DP. Then you would see a drop down menu like this that would allow you to switch account, but just scroll down, right? Then you can tap on add another account. We are going through Play Store because if you create a Gmail account, definitely it will be logged in automatically in your Play Store. So that's why we're going through Play Store. All right, so this interface is going to show up. All right, so this is where you're going to scroll down and tap create account. You can just tap for personal use. Now before we continue, if you found this video interesting, just hit a like, and then let's continue. So you're going to just use a name. So I'm going to use West Coast. And a very important information is that Google would allow you to create up to 5 Gmail accounts without a phone number. So you don't actually need a phone number, not until you're creating multiple of that. All right, so you can see I'm just going to create this account without any phone number. All right, so let's click next. So it's asking for my gender. Yep. So we're not going to be prompted that you should have to use your phone number. So that's the advantage. Okay, so I'm just going to use something random, all right, just for this video. I'll click next. And now password, and let's choose something. Let me see. Okay, all right, I click next. After password, creating a strong password, and I can cancel this. Can you see review your account information? Can you see that? So you don't need a phone number to create a Gmail account, but once you create multiple of it, then Google will start requesting that you add a phone number. So just choose one step. All right, very fast, and you click next, and that is it. Scroll down to the list and click accept all, and there you go. You can just confirm. Can you see that? Privacy, and this is what privacy and terms. Okay, just click agree, and there you go. Your account is ready without phone number. That's the account. All right, so accept terms of service, and now you're in with your new Gmail account without use of phone number.